HostGator's been around forever, but in 2025, is it still a reliable budget hosting choice? Or has it fallen behind? HostGator's shared hosting starts at $2.75 per month with unmetered bandwidth, free SSL, and 45-day money-back guarantee. You get cPanel, one-click installs, and an easy website builder. Performance is decent for small to medium sites, but uptime averages around 99.9%, which is good but not industry leading. Customer support is 24/7 via live chat and phone. Though response times can vary, they also offers VPS, dedicated servers, and WordPress hosting, so you can scale up. The downsides, renewal rates are higher, and advanced performance tweaks are not as robust as premium hosts. For personal sites, small businesses, and budget projects, HostGator still holds up in 2025 as a dependable, affordable choice. Reliable, beginner-friendly, and affordable, HostGator remains a solid budget host. Follow for more quick hosting reviews.